Let's talk about the software that could save you some precious hours and could save you some precious money. So get ready to hire yourself, fire your video editor, and get back some time, money, maybe. Let's talk about it. I know that was an awkward stop. Like I did it in the middle. I caught you off guard. I meant to do that. By the way, I'm Justin Morgan. I'm actually the general and the founder of Automation Mastery, and I'm here to talk about this segment particularly. This is my first video here on this channel. It's actually my fourth channel. Like this fourth time doing the channel. So I'm excited about this brand new start. And so today I'm gonna talk about a particular software that could or could not. I'm gonna give you a real evaluation. This is No Boyang. This is where we go into no BS results and reviews of the tools that I've happened upon that will help you in your journey as you continue to automate your business and master your destiny. So that's why I'm here, is to help us. And I eventually want to change the lives of 1 billion people by helping them to automate their business in one way, shape, or form. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and hop into the review that I have for you right now. So let me get my screen up for you. Let's see, share screen. I'm going to share this desktop and boom. So now you can see the screen. I don't know if you can see me. Perhaps, maybe, maybe not. Anyway, here we are. Let me, so again, we are talking about a software called Reevio, okay? This is Reevio, this is Reevio.com. I happened upon it. Again, I'm an avid follower of your typical, what you would call like your JV Zoo products and things of that nature. So I'm always trying to stay ahead. I realize like this is a later review, but again, I'm trying to give a real review, not what I'm finding a lot is if you go on YouTube, you find all these folks. So if I go on YouTube, right, go on youtube.com like anybody else, I type, hey, Reevio, right, Reevio reviews. Okay, I didn't spell it right, clearly. I'm not even editing this, y'all. I'm just gonna roll with it. As you can see, pros and cons. And so I will listen to some of these, but a lot of them are just trying to sell you the software. And again, I'm not against that. Like, there's no problems with that. And frankly, that's the thing that you should do. Like, even here below this, there will be a link where you can decide to go with this or not. Okay. But unlike them, where again, some of them just, they give you a little walkthrough or they tell you how great it is. They don't really go into the real experience that they have. And so I want to make sure you get a No Boyang. By the way, that was a word I made up when I was like a kid. And I didn't want to curse. I had this thing about being a kid and I just refused to curse. And so I came up with this term called Boyang. So that's why this would be the No Boyang. I was trying to figure out what to call these sessions, but No Boyang is what it's going to be. So No Boyang reviews. I may do some other series, maybe on a different channel, just No Boyang in general. But today it's No Boyang reviews. Okay. So with that being said, this is Reevio. Why do I feel a certain way? One, I'm gonna tell you a heads up. Like I'm pretty comfortable with this. I'm gonna tell you some things that are going right and aren't going right. Like again, I'm putting it all out there. I can tell you right now, there was some disruption that some folks had early on with using it. I even had some difficulties, and I'll talk about some of those difficulties, but there's some plus sides. The overall goal of this software, okay, is for it to allow you to do things like create, intro videos with your logos, to allow you to, have those nice fancy whiteboard videos, for you to be able to, what else, Justin? Think. thing. It lets you do a ton of stuff. As you can see here, you can render plenty of videos. I can go through all the features. I mean, I don't even know what I'm trying to remember off the top of my head. But again, I'm trying to remember from experience. You can do marketing videos, lower third bits on there as well. There's just a lot of options, right? You can add in images, you can add in videos, add in pictures, kind of customize and mix and meld things together. Of course, like any other software, there's some upgrades and some OTOs. I'll try to show you those as well as I can, and kind of give you the strategy really on any software is make sure you look up the OTOs first before you purchase it. You got to make a couple of decisions, right? So when I got this, I said, okay, if I just buy the basic level, can I survive with that? Like, can I be successful with just the basic level? And oftentimes when I can do that, then I know it's a good software that just makes me feel good about my purchase, because then I can always go purchase those things later when I make more money. And so I felt with this, I felt confident that I could thrive with just the basic level, right? And so I can do some good things with just the basic level before I went off to, spend more cash, right? So that's what I liked about it, okay? So again, in that sense, I can do a ton of stuff. It shows you videos and things of that nature. You can do stuff like that, fancy videos like this. I'll show you one that I did. This is the back end. This is what it looks like. Again, logos, promos, motion titles, live mock-up videos, collections. So there's some other things you can do. You can do things like Facebook covers, just a bunch of other stuff, fusion, which means you kind of mix together different themes, call to action videos, social bumpers, again, these whiteboard videos, explainer videos, all that stuff. See my videos, boom. So there's some ones that I did as well. So for instance, the one that you may see at the head of this channel would just be like this one, right? Like straightforward. It took me a minute. I just uploaded a logo, boom. Now I got this nice video intro. Didn't take long. Some downsides, right? Some downsides. There are some glitches in terms of previewing the video. Is that a big deal? Like a make break? Am I going to ask for a refund immediately? No, ultimately I was still able to publish these videos. It's a little bit more frustrating when I'm doing the longer videos, but not so much so for these shorter ones. And when I contacted support, they let me know that it's something that they're going to work into and work on, because there was an update, and I'll show you their group. And I like the fact that their group, they have a big member base right now, is at over 4,000 members. So there's a lot of usage here. So that means that they're making money, and therefore support will continue. Often what I'm afraid of when I am purchasing software like this is that at some point it's going to time out. When I say time out, I mean they're going to move on to the next thing, and therefore it's going to kind of be moved on from. So that's what I'm afraid of oftentimes. But this size and membership and some of the packages they offer, I'm confident that they're going to be here for the long run. So in terms of, I said there was an issue. There was an issue because of an update. Again, I know I never remember all the specifics, but because of the Spectre security update, as you can see, it created some difficulty. The owner and founder addressed it very clearly, which I appreciated. And so while you could be watching this a lot later than this, I just want you to understand the history of the software and really the transparency that the people work with. So even though there was an issue, they handled it and they addressed it. So again, is it perfect? No. Is it perfect? No. Are there some things like obviously, if you want to get the better templates, you got to upgrade, right? They're going to give you some basic things. And it is what it is. You get some basic stuff. Like the one that I used was this one. So I go customize. But I'll just show you how simple this is real quick. You can give it a title. I'm just going to say review video. Boom, hit continue. I'm going to go ahead, and what I would just do here, go on the left, hit my logo, bang. I will drag this over to this. Once I do that, okay, what it was supposed to do was give me a preview of what it actually looked like, but that's what it wasn't letting me do. So they said they're working on it, and hopefully it will get resolved, but the end result still worked. So it was doing this even when I showed you that video earlier, It was still doing this. Still worked. Okay. So in the end, like, what was I completely dissatisfied? No, I'm actually happy. I'm actually hopeful, and I can still use it for what I need. We just can't preview stuff yet, which again is not the deal breaker for me. The other pieces is, it's affordable, at least on the basic level. So I felt like I was getting the value for what I was paying for at the price I was getting. It was cheaper when I got it. Okay. So it wasn't $97 when I got it. It's going to be that for you for now until they run some other promotion and bring that back around. Okay. So just check it out. Is it worth the $97 for a lifetime membership to it? I would. It's going to save you more than that in time. As I'm moving forward, I'm trying to work with and try to leverage. I'm saying leveraging time is a big part of automation. And so this does that. So it accomplishes my goal in terms of being a good automation tool, because essentially takes something I'm not skilled at and allows me to do it. Okay. Which to me is automation. It's about leverage. And so I like it. That's Reevio. Again, check out the link below if you like this. This is my first video. Do me a favor, share this down below. Folks who've seen me online before, perhaps you have. And of course, my camera just went dead midway through the recording, but that is okay. I'm still here. I'm still talking. So in the end, do me a favor, down below, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you check out Reevio. I'm Justin Morgan, the founder and the general of the Automation Army. This is the first video of Automation Mastery. If you want to join, want to find out more, make sure you check out the links below. You can always text the word. If you want a free tool, I give a free tool. Text the word viral, 240-696-2009. Text the word viral, 240-696-2009 to get access to the free tool. That's what I got. I will see y'all next time. Make sure you share this with a friend, a family member, and a foe. And as usual, treat each day as a building block to a better future. Peace.